Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. My name is Roland and I'm going to show you how you can easily make a super yummy salted egg fried chicken using Knorr Salted Egg Yolk Powder. A lot of you ask us whether there's an easier way to make salted egg dishes, and in some places you can't even get salted egg yolk. So now you know where you can get this salted egg powder from, and it's right here in Singapore, available in major supermarket. So the next time you come to Singapore, visit our major supermarkets to get a bag of this delicious Knorr Salted Egg Yolk Powder. You can get a smaller pack at only 5 Singapore dollars or the bigger pack at only 9.90 Singapore dollars. Knorr Salted Egg Yolk Powder is made from real salted egg yolks with no MSG added. The egg yolks were carefully preserved using the latest drying technology so that you can get the same rich flavor and color. Whether you are a salted egg anything lover or you've never tried salted egg dishes before, you must really get this. I'm already salivating just by the thought of this. So let's hurry up and start cooking now. Now we'll do a simple marinade on the chicken wings. I have with me over here 6 pieces of wings, which I've separated the drumlets from the rest of the wings. We'll need to add in 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, and of course we need some pepper. You can use black pepper or white pepper, it's really up to you. Mix them up well. I prefer to use my hand. And leave them in the fridge to marinate for at least an hour. I'll see you back in a while. We have marinated the wings for about an hour. Remember to let them rest at room temperature for approximately 20 to 30 minutes before we do this step. So now we'll coat it in cornflour. Just coat them evenly. After coating them in cornflour, we need to rest them for about 15 minutes so that the flour will stick onto the chicken and it will not fall off when we fry them. It's very important. Make sure you really rest them. Finish this up and I'll see you back in a while. We are going to fry our chicken wings now. Heat up oil. How do you gauge whether the oil is hot enough or not? Use a bamboo skewer, put it in. If you see bubbles rising up, that means the oil is hot enough. So we'll fry the chicken wings now. We'll be doing a double fry. So we are not going to really cook this until golden brown. Just a light, very light golden brown will be fine. I'm going to cook the drumlets first. Put it in and don't turn them around. Don't overcrowd the pan. So I'm going to fry this in 2 batches. This first step is just to set the crust on the chicken. We're just going to cook this for another about 20-30 seconds or so, because as you can see the crust has already been formed. So something like this will be good, a light golden brown. We'll remove this from the oil and we'll carry on with the second batch. Now we need our oil to be super hot when we do the double fry, because if the oil is not hot enough, the oil will be trapped inside the chicken and that will not be good. I will double fry the chicken now. We'll force the excess moisture to be out. Now we can place everything in. I can actually feel the crust firming up right now, which is what we want. We want to fry them to a very beautiful golden brown. When we are removing the chicken from the oil, be mindful that you do not turn down the heat, okay? Because once you turn down the heat, the oil will be trapped within the chicken and that won't taste good at all. As you can see, the chicken wings are golden brown in color, and you can actually feel that it's a hardened crust now. This is what we want to achieve. We will now remove them from the oil. After this is done, we'll make the sauce using Knorr Golden Salted Egg Yolk Powder. Now we are going to make the sauce using Knorr Golden Salted Egg Yolk Powder. Heat up a pan, add in a little bit of oil. We need to add a little bit of oil inside here so that the butter will not brown that easily. Swirl the oil around. I'm going to add in 40 grams of butter, unsalted butter, 5 cloves of garlic chopped, 3 pieces of chili padi or Persai chili chopped up. Now in case you do not have unsalted butter at home, you can of course use salted butter, but do go easy on the salt when you want to season this later. A small bunch of curry leaves, put it in. Curry leaf will actually enhance the flavor of this dish. We just slow fry this for a little bit. Keep the heat at medium-low. We don't want to burn this, we just want to get all the beautiful fragrances out. This will be so good. It smells really good. Now we'll add in this Knorr Golden Salted Egg Yolk Powder. 3 tablespoons of this. 1, 2, and 3. We also add in our seasoning, which is 1 teaspoon each of salt and sugar. Stir them up. Look at how beautiful this is. The golden color that's coming up from here. We'll cook this until it becomes a little bit foamy. Can turn the heat up a little bit now. Make sure you mix everything up well. As you can see, they are slowly starting to foam up. This is what we want. Mix them up really, really well. This is really, really very fragrant. Keep stirring them, don't burn it. Right, as you can see, it's foaming, it's bubbling. This is what we want. Now we'll add in our chicken. Put the chicken in. Now I want to retain this beautiful golden yellow color, so I'm going to turn off the flame now. And we need to toss this and mix this up nicely. Make sure that every piece of the chicken is coated in this beautiful egg yolk sauce. Okay, we shall serve this now. I hope you can hear how crunchy this is. Okay, we'll just give this a taste now. Very, very authentic. This Knorr golden salted egg yolk powder is really the bomb. It is really, really good. Really finger-licking good. Crunchy, fragrant. Wow, really good. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're hungry also, like me right now. I will not talk much. I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. You want to eat also? Cannot lah.